Thank you. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the party leader of the ODM party, Dr. Oburu Oginga, Prime Cabinet Secretary, colleague leaders, I beg to greet all of you. Good morning. Good morning once again. Welcome to Naivasha, and welcome to the first retreat of the broad-based family. I don't think, Your Excellency, we've met like this together before, bringing together the larger broad-based family. And at that very juncture, Your Excellency, I'm sure you noticed as you walked in that we are a bit squeezed in, and we apologize to the membership. But that's the team that you lead, and we must really be grateful to God. This is the envy of our competitors. You know, so for some of our competitors, if they were to call such a meeting, they will not need this hall. The holding room that you used will be enough for them. So we have to be happy and grateful at the same time that we have such a large family that is gathered here. Here, Your Excellency, we have members of parliament from both houses. As of the time of your coming in, we had more than 250 members of the National Assembly that had signed in, and many were coming in. We had over 45 senators that had signed in, and there were quite a number that were coming in. We have the cabinet that is here. We have close to, I think, I'll check the records and announce later, governors and their deputies, quite a significant number as well that had walked in, together with their deputies, some without their deputies as well. So it's a big gathering of a big family, and we welcome all of you to Naivasha. We have been here, Your Excellency, since yesterday. We had our pre-briefing meetings of the various teams. Our colleagues from the ODM family had their parliamentary group meeting last night, the pre. There are certain internal matters that both teams were putting together. We equally from the Kenya Kwanza team, we had our session until late last night, just sharing and talking and doing fellowshipping as well, because we rarely get such occasions. And we had a big team yesterday, and it was quite interesting. The only challenge which as we consulted with leadership, we noticed is that a lot of the younger members of parliament, those who are in my age bracket, they either arrived late or they came this morning. And there was a challenge when we inquired. We were told there's a challenge with visa processing to this Naivasha meeting. And the problem, Your Excellency, we have investigated. It began when one of your ministers, who used to be a leader with us in parliament, he wrote a book and said certain things about Naivasha. Since then, to get a visa to come here for younger leaders is not easy. So some of them have arrived late, including the leader of majority in the National Assembly. I think his visa was denied until this morning. So you will bear with us. Your Excellency and the leadership, we have a long program ahead of us. And we want to really take this time to talk as a family, share, give our insights and perspectives into so many other things. If you've looked through your program, we have sessions of opening remarks by our party leadership and the president, then a few presentations, and then eventually the members will have their chance to speak. Then we will move on with the day. So I don't want to be long because we have such a long program ahead of us. I just want to be what good guests should always do, which is to allow the home county governor to welcome us to Nakuru County on behalf of the leadership. Then we will move the program for there. Ladies and gentlemen, a hand of applause to Governor Susan Kihika, the governor of Nakuru County.
It's a bit, sorry.